Upgrading a laptop's graphics card is not always straightforward, but for users of specific Alienware and HP EliteBook models, the NVIDIA Quadro K3000M presents a compelling option. This performance-class, DirectX 11.1 compatible graphics card is engineered for professionals and power users who demand more from their mobile workstations. At the heart of the Quadro K3000M is the Kepler-based GK104 chip. Although it utilizes only 576 shader cores, it is manufactured using a 28nm process by TSMC, ensuring a blend of performance and power efficiency that is ideal for mobile platforms. What sets this graphics card apart is not just its raw performance but also its compatibility with a range of workstation laptops. Primarily designed for the Intel Chief River generation, Ivy Bridge, it serves as a direct successor to the Fermi-based Quadro 3000M, promising significant improvements in processing power and efficiency. This makes the K3000M a perfect choice for those looking to extend the life and enhance the capabilities of their existing hardware. Upon receiving the card, one might notice the absence of original retail packaging, software, or accessories like the user manual and driver disc. However, this is a small trade-off for what is essentially a brand new, never-used component that comes with a 3-month. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.